What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Shrek again, and as you can see, we are working on the Mamalona today. I believe it's like a 2004 Silverado. It's cat eye. We're going to be dropping the front end. I don't think I got any pictures of it before, but already started. So this is it. We're gonna be doing drop spindles. I believe they're 2-inch drop spindles. And yep, have never done this, which is the case on most things. I did the one on my F-150, but that's different. I did sort of a coilover setup on the front, so this one's a little different. These are drop spindles. Should be easy, pretty straightforward. So we're gonna be working on that today. Let me get the big ratchet. Where's it at? There we go. All right, so yeah, gonna be dropping it, and I'll show you guys how we do it. Might not have enough light to do it today. Well, try to get most of it done. So first things first, took off the wheel and tire. Well, jacked it up, wheel and tire. We're gonna take off the caliper, the arm. I believe it's this one. Take the upper A arm and then take off the lower ball joint. Once I take off the caliper, take off the disc, and then assess what else I need to take off. Let me get started and I'll be right back. Enjoy the music.
1, 2, 3, 4, bust.
All right, guys, so I just thought about this too right now. If you're doing your brakes on the front disc brakes on a Silverado like this one, this is basically how you do it. You take off the 2 bolts that are holding the caliper to the bracket. Take those 2 bolts and your brakes are right there. Brake shoes, or brake pads, sorry. Your brake pads are right there. Brake pads are right there. Just real quick and easy. Is all you do for your brakes. That's it. And then to take off your disc, of course, you take off the bracket. I'll be taking that one off right now, so I'll show you guys as well. All right, back to the music. All right, so this is the bracket. Took it off. It has 2 bolts on it, and there's the disc. Pretty straightforward. And that's that. So now I'm gonna take off this sensor. I believe the ABS, or it might be the speed sensor, I'm not sure. We'll be taking that one off, and then take this one off, take this one off, and take this one off. So the tie rod end, your lower, what is that called? Forgot the name of it. Well, you know what I mean. So yeah, you'll take that off, the spindle comes off, then you just unbolt the hub, swap it over, bolt everything back up. We took off the old spindle. It's gonna need, yeah, I would recommend some new ball joints actually. So we'll see about that. For now, this is the old spindle. Have to remove these 3 bolts, bolt it onto that one. Does this one say if it's left or right? No, it doesn't. But that's the left one. This is the left one. Your steering wheel's on the left side. Unless you have a JDM car, which is right-hand drive, would be on the other side. But we're taking these 3 bolts off, then swapping the spindle and the dust guard over to that one and putting everything back in reverse. All right guys, so let me see if you guys can see this. All right, so right there you can see it's right here. There it is. You can see the ball joint. It clears the wheel. My boy's on 17-inch wheels. And like I said, we're doing the 2-inch spindle drop. And check this out. The lower ball joint's hitting the spindle. So, I mean, the lower ball joint's hitting the wheel. And you can see it right there. So what I'm going to try to do is grind the tip off of that ball joint. He is gonna buy new ones. We need to replace them. So I'll be cutting them for now, or grinding them down just to make it work for now until he gets the new ones. And hopefully he's telling me that he is gonna get new wheels. These are just temporary, so we're gonna do that. Let's get started on this side, and pretty much same thing. Fast forward it or hit you guys with some music, speed it up, I guess, make it a quick load too. All right guys, so this is what I did right here. We cut this section off, just this, like they say, just the tip. Hopefully that'll clear the wheel. I'm pretty sure, because I don't know if you can see that side. You can't see it that good. Pretty sure it should work. If not, we're gonna have issues. To take it off is gonna be another issue, but we'll cross that bridge once we get to it. For now, hopefully that worked. As you can tell, it's really dark outside already. Working with lights, and my camera died already once. So replace the battery, and now my memory card is almost full. But let me go ahead and finish this up, put the wheel back on. Hopefully it works. If not, we'll see what we do. All right guys, so we just finished the truck. As you guys can see, she is 2 inches lower in the front. We need to go lower though. My boy wants his truck to be like mine. Of course I have 20s on mine, but he wants similar stance. Mine's pretty leveled actually, and I got all my tools in the back. He wants his about the same, so he's on 17s right now currently. He will be getting different wheels. So once he gets different wheels, we're gonna also do the ball joints and then the tie rod end links, or whatever they're called, tie rod ends, end links, whatever. We're gonna be doing that too. So he's on his way to pick it up right now. We just finished. Pretty good stance now. So he also wants to do a swap on this one. So So we don't know if it's gonna be a 6.0 or 6.2, but he wants to do some stuff to it. He wants to make it fast. This is the guy with the Mustang that I have on some of my videos with the GT350. So fast boy, you already know. So we'll see what we do to this one. And yeah, that's how it came out. I don't know if I have any pictures of it before. I messed up by not taking pictures before. But if I find any, I will post them up. If he would have picked that up tomorrow, we would have given him a shower just to have it presentable for him. But he wants to come pick it up already. So that's going to be it for today's video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe. Let me know what else you guys want to see. Don't forget, glamorous content coming. We will be out there for Halloween weekend, God willing. And yeah, guys, see you guys on the next one.